Alright guys, good morning. Welcome to another video of 760 bass fishing. Today I woke up early right now. The time is 5:22 in the morning. Like they say, the earlier the better, the bass is better. So let's find out if it's true. So right now I'm going to be heading out to the Sunbeam Lake. I don't know if you guys can hear me well. So let's get this day started and let's see what's going to happen. And somebody got pulled over. Alright guys, welcome to another video. 760 bass fishing. As you guys can see right now, I'm at the Sunbeam Lake. So let's see what we can get and catch. This white swim bait. I could see some little smallmouth bass, or I don't know if you guys can see them. They're right there. Ooh, there's a bunch, dude. Oh no. No way. It got, oh dude, it got snagged. Alright, I'm gonna be throwing this frog. See what I can catch. Hope I don't get this frog snagged. Yeah. See, there's some right here in the dock. Guys, like I didn't catch anything at the lake today. I like to give shout outs. So I'm gonna give a big shout out to Bass Fishing with TK Heaven, Chaos Paddlers, Fat Rob's Fishing, Real Deal, Camille, KY, nice stalker, and for real fishing. You guys should go check them out and subscribe to their channel and like their videos as well, and just comment on their videos and just tell them that on 760 Bass Fishing sent you guys. But yeah, guys, well, I'm gonna finish this video with this. I'm already heading home, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a bummer that I didn't catch anything, so hope you guys stay tuned with my next video. Alright guys, peace out guys, and thank you for watching. Peace.